In this video, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication in Wise. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Go to wise.com and sign in with your email and password. I will leave a link to Wise in the description down below. Step 2. Access security settings. Navigate to your profile or account settings and select Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Step 3. Choose 2FA method. Pick your preferred 2FA method, such as an authenticator app. This can be Google Authenticator, Authy, or SMS verification. Step 4. Set up and confirm. If using an authenticator app, scan the QR code or enter the setup key. If SMS, enter your mobile number. Follow instructions to verify and activate two-factor authentication. Step 5. Save backup codes. Save the backup codes provided by Wise in a secure location. These codes can help you regain access if you lose your two-factor authentication device. And that's how you enable two-factor authentication on your Wise account. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Bye.